Hi, I'm Darshana. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can move VMs using Powercli. I'm using one of the VMware HOL. This is my lab, and I have already connected to the one of the vCenter. I have already connected to the VCSA-O1B. This vCenter. Okay. Uh, Now my requirement is to move this VM. It's running on the. Let me check. It's running on the ESX-01B. This one I need to move that VM to the second host. Powercli command is move VM. Okay. If I don't know the syntax or the what are the parameters, and if I need to get any help, what I can do is just type get help, then move VM space hyphen example. Okay. And there's one more option, but let me check whether internet is available on the HOL. Otherwise, I can use this command as well. But at the moment, they don't have internet access to this particular website. Otherwise, it will load the online help as well. Okay. Now I'm going to move this VM app 01B to the. It's running on the 01B host. I need to move it to the 02B host. Okay. Using get VM command, I can get the VM. Okay. For the same command, I can pipe the output of the get VM command to move VM. Then I have to use the parameter called destination. I forgot it's running on 01B. Okay. 02B. Scope.local. Yeah, it's moving. Okay. We can just right click and move the VM. Okay. It's very easy. Why we need Powercli to move the virtual machine? Okay. Example, I need to move all the virtual machines on the host, this particular host to host 2. Even from the GUI, we can do that. Okay. Say I need to move the virtual machines which are starting from app. That name is starting from app to the 02B. What I can do? Okay. First, we'll check how we can move virtual machines which are on the host 1B. Even it's easier than GUI. Okay. What I'll do is I'll type get VM host command, then the ESXi host name. Sorry, ESX10b.coop.local. Sorry, local ESX-01b. Yeah. Then what I'll do is I can pipe the output to get VM. Then there are 3 virtual machines running on. Then what I'll do is with the same command, I can use the move VM command to get them. I'm going to move virtual machines to, sorry, scope.local. Let me check what is the error. Okay, move ESX 1. There's no host called 1. 2B. From 1B, we are moving to 2B. Yep. If we don't have configured the DRS or we don't have license for DRS and we need to put ESX01B to the maintenance mode, then we can easily move the virtual machine using this PowerShell. Yeah, now it's moving the virtual machine. It's already moved. We'll check. Yeah, now there are no VMs running on the ESX-O1B. Okay. Now my requirement is to move the virtual machines we start the name the virtual VM names which are starting from app to the ESX01B. What I can do is get VM. Okay. I'll use the app and wildcard asterisk that as a wildcard character. Then okay, I can use the same format. It's moving. And now I am going to try to move all the Windows virtual machines to the Microsoft virtual machines to ESX-02B. Okay, let me try it. I can use the get VM and get VM guest command to get the OS name as a parameter. Okay, then what I'll do is okay, I can use the var command to this one. Like OS full name like Microsoft. Okay. Now we can query only the Windows VMs. Then it's very easy. U601B. U601B. ESX-01B.coop.local. Seems that output we can't give it as a parameter. Okay, what we'll do is, yeah, let me try. Okay, now here we have two CentOS, then we'll try with CentOS. Okay, and I think now we need to run a small script. Okay, I'm connecting to the 1B vCenter. Done. Then what I'll do is I can just copy and paste the command up here. Will put send OS VMs. Okay. Set OS, yeah. We'll check what are the output we can get here. Okay. We'll see what are the available parameters. Let me try this way. Yeah, first we'll check what are the available parameters. Okay, since this is array, we can use the VM parameter. We'll see. We just run one and yep, we can get the name. Okay, we'll try it this way. Yep, we have to use the for each command. For each dollar, we'll put a VM, just a parameter in send OS VM. Okay, then we'll use the move VM command. Destination esx01b.coop.local. Sorry. For the VM name, what will we use? avm.vm. We'll try this one. Need to test it here. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, this kind of methods and this kind of script we can use it with the move VM command, and it's very useful when we are doing any the vMotion or move VMs depend on our customer requirements. Okay. Thank you.